A coffee shop is turned into a neobank. How amazing! Yes, I'm talking about Starbucks. This multinational coffee company is transformed into one of the largest neobanks in the world. And it's all thanks to Starbucks CEO Howard Schultz's Starbucks is a bank philosophy. The company's loyalty program has amassed an incredible $1.6 billion in free money loaned by its millions of members. If you're curious to know how Starbucks has achieved this incredible feat, then keep watching till the end. We will explore the reasons behind this shift in perception and how Starbucks' loyalty program has evolved into a powerful financial tool. Just make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all of our latest videos. It's 2008 and Starbucks is in trouble. Its CEO Howard Schultz is determined to turn the company around and restore its reputation as a beloved coffee chain. But how does he plan to do that? By turning Starbucks into a bank. Schultz's bold move came in the form of the Starbucks Card mobile app and a revamped loyalty program. With a promise of rewards and free Wi-Fi, customers were encouraged to load money onto their Starbucks cards, and the response was staggering. Today, almost half of all Starbucks transactions are made with the Starbucks card, with approximately $10 billion loaded onto the program each year. But the real genius of Schultz's plan lies in the fact that, unlike traditional banks, Starbucks is not burdened by strict requirements concerning customer assets. While customers can't immediately exchange their Starbucks card balances for conventional currency, Starbucks can use these funds however they wish. This frees up capital that can be invested in growth and operational opportunities, giving Starbucks an edge over other banks. But that's not all. Thanks to breakage, where customers fail to spend gift cards and balances, Starbucks has generated a profit of $155 million in 2018 alone. And by using the Starbucks app to make purchases, customers are saving the coffee giant millions of dollars annually in interbank fees. In other words, Starbucks has become a force to be reckoned with in the banking industry, with 85% of American banks having less than $1 billion in total assets. Starbucks has overtaken most banks in terms of assets, thanks to its loyalty program and mobile app. Suppose you're a Starbucks fan and you're standing in line waiting to pay for your coffee. The person in front of you whips out their Starbucks app and you can't help but wonder, what's the big deal? Why are so many people using this app to pay for their coffee? Well, the answer lies in the rewards program. By offering incentives and free Wi-Fi, Starbucks has convinced millions of customers to load money onto their loyalty cards, making the Starbucks app one of the most successful neobanks out there. And the benefits of this strategy are numerous. For one thing, Starbucks can get a lot of useful information about its customers from its rewards program. This helps the company learn more about its customers and meet their needs and preferences. This data can inform marketing and sales strategies, helping Starbucks stay ahead of the curve and stand out in a crowded market. And it's not just Starbucks that's benefiting from this approach. Other businesses, from Walmart to small mom-and-pop shops, are following Starbucks' lead and embracing the neobank method. By offering store credit and gift cards in exchange for customer dollars, these businesses are able to increase customer loyalty and keep them coming back for more. But what's in it for the customer? Well, for starters, they get valuable rewards and benefits for their loyalty, such as free coffee and exclusive discounts. In short, Starbucks' rewards program is a win-win for everyone involved. By offering valuable incentives and collecting consumer data, Starbucks is able to stay ahead of the game and keep customers coming back for more. And for customers, the rewards and benefits are too good to pass up. So the next time you load up your Starbucks card or use the app to pay for your coffee, remember that you're not just buying a cup of coffee. You're contributing to a new era of banking and loyalty programs that benefit everyone involved. There's no denying it, Starbucks is a company that's always looking ahead. When Jerry Martin Flickinger was hired as the company's first chief technology officer, she brought with her a vision for the future that would change the way we think about coffee and loyalty programs. Since then, Starbucks has been on the cutting edge of new technology, putting a lot of money into its own app to make its digital strategy a reality. And the results speak for themselves. The app has generated an incredible 30% of the company's revenue since 2015. But it's not just about the app. Starbucks' focus on digital has revolutionized the restaurant and food service business as a whole. By offering a hassle-free option for payment and rewards, Starbucks has made it easier than ever for customers to get the perks they want without putting in a lot of effort. And customers are responding in kind. With 41% of Starbucks cardholders in the United States and Canada actually using their cards, it's clear that this approach is resonating with consumers. And with total user balances reaching $1.5 billion by the end of 2019, Starbucks has become a major player in the world of banking. In fact, research by MarketWatch shows that Starbucks card and app holders had amassed almost $1.2 billion by the end of 2017, more than Consumers Bank and Green Dot Company had in deposits. It's clear that Starbucks' approach to loyalty programs and digital payments is more than just a passing trend, it's a game changer for the industry. So the next time you use the Starbucks app to pay for your coffee, remember that you're not just buying a cup of coffee. You're contributing to a new era of technological innovation and loyalty programs that are changing the way we think about coffee and banking. Did you know that you might be unwittingly lending money to Starbucks? It's true. Thanks to the company's prepaid card program and mobile app, Starbucks has accumulated an astonishing $1.5 billion in user balances. And while you might think that Starbucks is simply holding on to that money for safekeeping, the truth is that it's actually contributing to the company's bottom line. By investing in the market or expanding into new markets, Starbucks can use that $1.5 billion to generate even more profit, all without having to pay any interest on those balances. And that's not even the most surprising part. Starbucks also generates income through something called breakage, where customers fail to spend gift cards and balances. In fiscal years 2019, 2018, and 2017, Starbucks made a staggering $125 million, $155.9 million, and $104.6 million in breakage income, respectively. So while Starbucks hasn't publicly indicated its intention to enter the banking industry, it's not so far-fetched to imagine a future where you can create a bank account while ordering your favorite Starbucks drink. After all, the company has already proven its success with its prepaid card program and mobile app, which have revolutionized the way we think about coffee and loyalty programs. Is Starbucks getting ready to shake up the financial industry? Rumors have been swirling lately that the coffee giant may be planning to expand into financial services, and it's got some bankers feeling more than a little nervous. According to a recent report in the Korea Times, South Korean financial institutions are worried that Starbucks' deep pockets and loyalty customer base could make it a formidable competitor in areas like prepaid cards, currency exchange, loans, and insurance. And with analysts predicting that Starbucks could soon move into asset management, it's no wonder that bankers are feeling a little uneasy. But it's not just the bankers who are worried. Starbucks' recent partnership with cryptocurrency exchange Bakkt has some people wondering if the company is about to make an even bigger splash in the financial world. The two companies are set to launch a global consumer app in 2020 that will allow users to buy, sell, store, and spend digital assets, a move that could help businesses free up capital and foster stronger connections with their customers. As we've seen, Starbucks is no ordinary coffee shop chain. With its innovative approach to loyalty programs and digital payments, the company has already revolutionized the way we think about coffee and banking. But could Starbucks be about to take things even further? If the rumors are true and Starbucks does enter the financial services market, it could have far-reaching effects on the economy and the future of banking. But what will this mean for customers? Will Starbucks be able to improve our experiences with financial products and services? Or will it simply be another player in an already crowded industry? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. If Starbucks does decide to make a formal foray into banking, it will be fascinating to watch how this coffee shop chain influences the future of finance. So what do you think? Are you ready for a world where your morning coffee and your bank account are one and the same? Let us know in the comments below.